is replace the gasket. So I already cleaned everything up. The gasket is here. So what happened was it kept leaking from the bottom here. So I cleaned everything up. What you see there is the little black adhesive glue. I'm about to put a little more in right now. So this is the new gasket here. So I already put some glue on the back of it. So pretty much what we're gonna do now is put everything back together. So we're gonna go ahead and put this gasket here. Let's see if she hopes she stick. It's already had it on there. Alright, so that's gonna go there. Once she can stay on there. Go over here and grab this. Screw this in by hand. Alright? Don't get crazy with it. Just screw it in by hand before you tighten everything up. So I'm just gonna put it here. Screw it in by hand. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit like that. So that'll stay like that for now. Grab the other one. Stick it in here. The reason why, like I said, I'm changing the gasket, this gasket broke. So every time I wash the truck, there'll be a massive oil running down here, down the wall and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything up. I said, take your time, put everything in by hand. So you don't want to start hitting it with a gun. You start hitting it with a wrench, and then you over tighten it. Then you might have a problem. So you pretty much gonna do everything by hand right now. So this line got to go on there. So what we're gonna do now is grab the wrench. What do I do with that wrench? Need a 13. All right, so you need a 13 right here to do the job. So all you have to do now is just tighten everything up. All right, so tighten everything up. You ain't gotta get crazy with it, but little small stuff you could do to the truck, especially to keep DOT off you. When they see that thing leaking like that, they're gonna find everything in the world to try to put you out of service or give you a ticket. So what we gonna do, tighten that up, then tighten the other side up. So now when we get the rolling down the road, you ain't gotta worry about no leaks. All right, that's it. All right, so that's pretty much it right there. Quick little job. Like I said, the gasket is here. The gasket is here. Tore up, so it was leaking all over the place. So I don't know last time they did it. So you can tell when the gasket's bad because look, it broke right in my hand. That ain't supposed to break. That's when you got bad gasket. When they dry out and they break up. See? That's gonna keep breaking. As long as I keep flipping it, it's gonna keep breaking. Look, that's your gasket. You don't want that. That's bad. That's gonna cause you to have a major leak and have a problem while you're on the road. So that's just trash right there. You're gonna need that trash right there. So what you gotta do now is put some PVC over here, some thread sealant. We're gonna go find some real quick and put everything back together. That's it. All right, I'll be right back. Put this back on. Up real quick so we can get this over with. Alright, take that up and get this wrench right here. Got a couple more. Tighten this up. That's it. Fix that little plug on that light. That's it. There you go. That's it. And that's how you replace the gasket. All right. And your return line from the motor to the compressor. That's pretty much it.